Hi everyone, and thank you for watching Certified Supplier Initiative Ningbo Factory Tour. I am your host, William D. Frazier. Certified Supplier Initiative was launched by China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. We evaluate toy and baby product manufacturers based on 5 criteria: product safety, safety insurance, specified standards, self-export capabilities, and social responsibility to help you find the most suitable business partner in China. Today, we're in Ningbo, a famous hub of China toy and baby products, and we're going to visit Ningbo Marriott to see how they operate. Let's take a look. Ningbo Marriott was established in 2000. They have over 30,000 square feet of working space and a combination of over 400 employees. This manufacturing company specializes in fun bubbles, glow sticks, and toy storage products. Not only do they have operations here in Ningbo, China, they also have operations in Dallas, Texas, under the name of Novalink LLC. With the combined experience of both companies, they're able to provide quality products to the international market. Some of those markets include US, Canada, and EU. Now we're coming inside of Ningbo's Marriott injection molding processing area. I want you to come and check out some of the things that they have. Inside here, this is a very unique operation that they have. Inside this processing center, they provide PPE, PE, and ABS raw material. Through this vat system here, the raw material will come through here and it goes through this processing system here that allows them to process the raw material to go through this water filtration system. This water filtration system here, as you can see, the water goes up into this system right here. It goes up into the pipe, these pipes up here, and what the water does, it comes down into this area here. You have these injection molding machines here. They have at least 37 machines. So you can imagine the amount of raw material that they use. Out of the 37 machines, the raw material will come down this way. It will go through here. And you can see that the machine is automatic. This is an automatic injection molding business here. So the machines come down here, they come in this area, and they make these parts here. This is part of the toy plastic container system here that they make. It's one of their major products here. So you can see that they make the products, and they come down here, and you can see that they have the assembly here for the different types of toy packaging that they have for the toy system here. So you can see that with Marriott, with this automatic injection molding system, processing system that they have, they're able to produce a lot of different products very rapidly and very efficiently. Now we're coming inside the Fun Bubbles production area as part of Ningbo and Marriott facilities. In this location, you can see that they have a lot of barrels. So these are the chemicals, biodegradable chemicals that they utilize to make the Fun Bubbles with. These products, this area here is very safe for children, doesn't have any medical products or anything like that, particles or anything like that. But this particular vat here, this is the water sterilization vat. This is where the water that they're utilizing, they're sterilizing, that is part of the manufacture of the Fun Bubble. So what happens here is the water gets sterilized, and once it comes through here, it goes into this, I'm gonna say this is the brainchild. This is the part of the system that actually takes and mixes all the biodegradable chemicals here that you see here. And these vats back here, they allow the mixture to come together to make sure that it reaches all the international standards such as US and European. This company maintains the highest standards because you want to make sure that the products that they provide with the Fun Bubbles are safe for children on a global scale. Now we come to Fun Bubbles blow molding area with Marriott. You're probably wondering why I'm doing these 4 unique color tubes here. As far as the blow molding process, this company here has developed a 4-color process of using a blow molding machine that they're only unique to them in China. With this, they're able to produce 4 different color bottles at one time. Now this is a very unique process with the blow molding machine here. You can see that it's very delicate and very sophisticated piece of equipment here. So as we move along with the design and the production of the Fun Bubbles, you can see that those tubes I showed to you actually turn out to be these 4 different areas, these 4 different colors. Now, what I want to tell you, that they have 7 different areas. We just did the blow molding section. Now, you can see that the blow molding section is one area here where they actually filter the water, the liquid inside inside the bottles. This is another section 2. In this section here, you can also see that they're putting it inside the little tubes to make the little bubbles for the kids to enjoy. It's very important. As a process, we're here at Ningbo Marriott. Now, this particular area, you can see the section 3 is that they put the bottle tops. The bottle tops are applied to the bottles to make them very secure. But not only do they put the bottle tops on them, the other area, it allows them to make sure that it's sealed tightly. See here, now you see you have the water in it, right? But as you go further down with the liquid, you have another area here. In this area here, you can see that it is sealed. You can see the difference between the two that function. But once you get to the 5th area, which is the sealing part, here you go to the labeling. This is the labeling area where they label all the bottles to international standards to make sure everything is according to their manufacturing capability. Now they always have an IPQC person on staff here to monitor everything and for the quality here. The final phases of this process is the packaging. You can see that they're doing carefully packaging the product in the boxes here to make sure they're properly secure. So it's important here at Ningbo Marriott that they maintain the quality standards as far as manufacturing the new Bubbles product. Okay, now we're inside the glow stick production area here at Ningbo Marriott. In this area, you can see that it's a very unique area that you may not be familiar with. However, with the glow stick processing, they have 2 phases. In the first phase, they have this glass tube here that actually they're injecting the liquid into it, and then it's heated up to form this way. So in this first phase, this is what they're doing with the glass tubes here. And at the later phases, we're going to show you what they take and do with these products. Okay, in this phase of the glow stick manufacturing process here at Marriott, we have the plastic tube here, and we're going to show you what this plastic tube is utilized in the production of the glow stick. In this phase right here, you can see that they have the mechanism of putting this plastic tube inside the compartment here that allows it to go through this process right here. And in this process, it's filled up with the liquid, and it helps to make the glow stick more useful. And as you come through this process, remember earlier I showed you the glass tube here. And what happens at this phase, the glass tube actually goes inside the plastic stick. So in this process, you can see that they're taking and they're putting the glass tube inside the plastic part. And along the assembly line, you can see it's continually going down the production part. Now here, this is the press area. This actually takes and press the top on top of the tubing so to make it more secure. And that's one of the final stages right there. So once it reaches this area, you can see that you have the final product. And the final product, you can break it, and you have the glow stick here at Marriott. Now we're inside the QC laboratory here at Ningbo Marriott. As part of the Certified Initiative Program here at China Toy and Juvenile Product Association, we want to ensure that these manufacturers provide the highest standards when it comes to quality control of the products that they provide. Inside of this laboratory, you have 5 particular stations that they utilize for the 2 main products that we talked about earlier today. The Fun Bubble as well as the glow stick. Now, this particular item here is the temperature and humidifier program chamber, which monitors the temperature of these products. So this is very important for both products. Just as well as this motion simulation. The motion simulation is very useful when you're using different type of transportation modes. It could be either air transportation, land, or by sea. So this is very useful in that aspect. Now, for the glow stick has 2 particular areas that we want to talk about. You have the anti-corrosive area here for the glow stick. That's very important to them as well. But also you have this integrated spear system here. And this intensity system actually tests the impact of the glow liquid that's inside of the glow stick. So this particular two areas are focusing on the glow stick. Now, don't get it wrong, they have the drop test. The drop test is very important for the glow stick as well as for the new bubbles. You want to make sure that when they drop the package on the product that it doesn't break, that it doesn't come apart. So that's very important. Earlier we had visited the production area when you're making for the new bubble. And one of the things that we talked about is how they take the biological chemicals as well as the sanitized water and they mix it together. But one area we want to talk about is this particular piece of equipment here. This is the bacterial testing unit that they use from that liquid, from those vats, what we talked about earlier. And here, if you find any bacteria from that mixture, they would immediately discharge that mixture and then they'll go back and retest it again to make sure there's no bacteria. So again, as part of the Certified Supplier Initiative here with China Toy and Juvenile Product Association, Ningbo Marriott has exceeded all international standards when it comes to producing their products, and they adhere to the products that are the standards that are set before them, whether it's in the US, European, or whether in China as well. Now we're inside the showroom of Ningbo Marriott, and we're going to feature three of their main products: the Fun Bubbles, the Toy Storage Box, and the glow stick. But I need a little assistance with this, so I'm going to bring on Dan, the sales manager, to help me with talking about their products. So Dan, can you join me for a moment?
Hi.
Hey Dan, how you doing?
Yeah, good.
Good. I know you got three products here, but we're in the bubble area, right? The Fun Bubble area. So can you tell us more about your products here, the Fun Bubble?
Okay. Good. So this is our bubble range. And our biggest advantage on the bubbles is the capacity and the costing. So we're making all the parts in our own factory, and the capacity is very large. Like this, the bubble wand, we have the biggest capacity in China.
Oh, okay.
We can make like 200,000 pieces a day.
Yes.
So. But we mainly is for bubble solution only, right?
Bubble solution, okay.
Yeah, so already the biggest.
Okay, but we actually visited your production area where we saw the manufacturing of the Fun Bubbles. But we also saw the injection molding of this particular product right here. Can you tell us more about the Toy Storage Box?
Yes, this is our key lines.
Okay.
So I tell you what, the plastic, we're making this in China, in Ningbo, and also we have, as we mentioned before, we have an injection factory in Dallas.
Dallas, Texas, in US.
So
okay.
Sometimes, the capacity in US is not enough. We will also let our Ningbo factory to provide the production to combine with the capacities.
Yes.
So it's big quantity.
You have a very sophisticated injection molding factory here in Ningbo that we also visited. Very impressive the way the automation works and all the type of machinery that you have in there that you use, like PP, PE, PPE, and also ABS material. But I found one fascinating thing about your location is the manufacturing of the glow stick. Now, this is the glow stick. Can you tell us about this product?
Yeah, this glow stick is very, actually is from the start, when the company starts.
Oh, from the beginning.
Yeah, and you see a lot of glow sticks here, and we are very innovative on the glow sticks.
Okay.
I'm proud to say, 80% of the products sold in the market is developed by us.
80% of the glow sticks in the market is developed by this company?
Yes.
Oh, that's very impressive.
So
that's very impressive.
Like just copy the items,
Hey, but they're not number one. You're number one, right?
Number one, yeah.
Okay. So Dane, I want to thank you for taking time out to show us about your Fun Bubbles and the toy plastic box, as well as the glow stick here at Ningbo Marriott. So I appreciate your time.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.
No problem. Thank you. Here at Ningbo Marriott, they have some of the highest standards that they've maintained throughout the years with the development of their Fun Bubble, Toy Storage Box, and glow stick. To maintain those standards, they have some of the things that China Toy and Juvenile Product Association look for as far as being a certified supplier. Some of the areas that they look at is the ICTI, which is part of the social responsibility, that maintains that they provide a good, adequate dormitory and good cafeteria meals for the employees. They also have testing standards that they have achieved, such as the EN 71 and the ASTM F963. But however, we want to talk about their motto, together everyone achieves more. Through this motto, they have achieved other milestones such as certifications, certain certifications such as the Quality Management System Certificate. This is their ISO 9001-2015 management system that dictates they have the quality management system to maintain the type of standards that they have throughout the years. Other types of certificates that they have is the Environmental Management System Certificate. When we looked at their production for the Fun Bubbles, we got a chance to look at how they maintain the environment, make sure the products are safe, make sure the chemicals that they're using are environmental friendly, doesn't harm children or the environment. So having this 14001-2015 certificate is very important. Another area that we look at when we look at Ningbo's Marriott's type of certificates is the establishment of the Occupation Health and Safety Management System. This is making sure that they have a safe work environment. So when we visit the production line, you can see that the work environment is safe and is accident-free for employees to injure themselves. So with this OHSAS 18001-2007 certificate, you can see that they maintain high standards. But earlier we talked about not only do they have an operation here in Ningbo, they also have an operation in Dallas, Texas, USA. And because of that operation, they have a DUNS certification. Their DUNS number is 421286719. So, as part of the Certified Supplier Initiative through China Toy and Juvenile Product Association, you can see that Ningbo Marriott maintains those standards in all levels. We're now inside the production design area for Ningbo Marriott. This company is very innovative in the design concept that they have created throughout the years. Their staff, both here in Ningbo and Dallas, are very creative with all types of design products that they created throughout the years. As a matter of fact, they have been awarded the Walmart Most Innovative Product Design in 2015. So as an illustration of that ability, you can imagine some of the concepts and designs that they have come up throughout the years. For example, this product here, this is a very unique design because this company has the capability and the professionalism to create their own designs in-house. Most companies will have to go outside to another third party to create such a product like this. This is a very innovative product. You see the design, the 3D design for the development. Now, there's got to be a very creative way to do something like that. Also, another item that you should take note of is this particular toy packaging for toy storage box that is very innovative. We saw at the injection mold manufacturing part of this company that the bigger part of that, but this is a very small one here. So again, you have to recognize that here at Ningbo Marriott, with the professionalism that they have and with the professional staff that they have the capability of producing their own products in-house and do not have to go to outside third parties to create the most innovative design concept on the market for their glow sticks, their Fun Bubbles, and their toy package box for children toys. Social responsibility is another important criteria for certified supplier. Here at Ningbo Marriott, they take employees' health and welfare very seriously. As part of the ICTI standards that they maintain, they provide a living quarters for employees that includes a dormitory. This one-story dormitory behind me has at least 20 rooms that they provide accommodation for their employees. These rooms come with suitable showers, beds, USB outlets, fans, air conditioners, as well as facilities as far as access to the internet. Here at Marriott, it is very important that they take care of their employees as part of the China Toy and Juvenile Product Association criteria for a certified supplier. Again, social responsibility is very important in Marriott they adhere to those standards. We're now inside of Marriott's canteen. Inside the canteen, they can feed up over 300 people at one time with delicious meals. As part of the Certified Supplier Initiative, social responsibility is a great criteria for Neenborg Marriott to maintain nutritious programs as well as nutritious meals for their employees. So here the canteen is not full right now, but pretty soon you'll fill up with a lot of people eating a lot of delicious meals. Okay, welcome. We're back here at Neenborg Marriott, and I'm standing here with Mr. Liu, the founder, the man behind the company. Tell us, Mr. Liu, how long has it been established?
It's 21 years. It's a long time, right? One generation.
Yeah,
21 years, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So in that 21 years, what do you find the most significant thing about when you're developing your products?
The first thing is creativity. Every new product we have to develop a new product, brand new, not just a copy, not just imitation. I think that's the most important role. The second, I think, is the need of customers. So what the customers really like. Mm-hmm. And the third, I think we need to have a potential profit when we develop a new product. If no profit, no development. So I think that's the 3 key points when I develop new products. Yeah.
Okay. Can I ask you another question though?
Yes.
With developing a new product, what new products are you looking to develop in the future?
Actually, we are the key factory of bubbles. Mm-hmm. And now we are focusing on the development of the bubble machines. And we have a very good item is drone, fly, and the bubble coming from the drone.
Oh no!
Yeah, that's very, it's very cute. Really very cute.
Outside drone bubble machine.
Yeah.
That is very innovative.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Liu, I want to thank you for taking the time to meet with me today to discuss with us about the establishment of your company.
Yeah.
What do you see as the quality in your company and your future development and growth of your company?
I'm ambitious people guy. So we really have a long-term plan. So we hope to be the #1 supplier or #1 vendor of the bubble toys, in the world.
Thank you very much. And we want to thank you for joining us. And if you want to know more about Neenborg Marriott, you can get in contact with Mr. Liu here, or you can contact us at China Toy and Juvenile Product Association.